Today, first responders, musicians, and residents came together in Marble Falls for a flood relief fundraiser nearly 2 months after that deadly July 4th weekend. In Burnet County, the sheriff's office confirmed 6 people died, and first responders rescued dozens of people. KVUE's Isabella Basco shows us how many people were affected and the help they still need.
Teresa Holbrook is a Burnet County resident who was at home when the floods hit. She says floodwaters rushed through their property.
We drove some of the back roads and the highways were washed out, the bridges were washed out. It's still devastating to see that, hear that, and, experience it and wonder how people really are, how do they manage?
Holbrook says the floods took out some of her fencing. On the river, they have a family pavilion with a 2-story apartment, and the floods wiped out the bottom floor. It left thousands of dollars in damages. Luckily, she says, they got some help with cleanup, thanks to the help of volunteers.
Without that, we don't know if we could be where we're at right now by cleaning and getting it ready for refencing.
That act of charity is being practiced on a bigger stage.
It wasn't meant to be this way.
The Burnet County Sheriff's Office, a nonprofit called the Arc of Highland Lakes, and other partners organized a fundraiser at Putters and Gutters to help with flood relief. Alan Trevino is the chief deputy in the county.
We had loss. We've had millions of dollars of loss in property, and we had 6 losses of life. That is, for us, is significant.
Despite the fact that the floods hit more than a month ago, Chief Deputy Trevino says there's still a lot of work left to do and a lot of help that's needed.
There's people living in apartments. There's people living in rentals because they have no place to go.
According to a representative from Arc of Highland Lakes, more than 500 people in the area were affected by the floods, and more than 120 homes need some form of rebuilding. Now, the help keeps coming in.
We're a tight-knit community, and we are that was on full display from day one.
There's a lot of humanity left in the world, even though there's a lot of crazy going on.
Help built in the form of heart. Reporting in Marble Falls, Isabella Basco for KVUE News.